Good morning, guys. I'm actually coming to you in a different setting today. I'm actually at work, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my boss. Her name is Laurie. My boss, she's going to be showing you guys how to properly repot a orchid, also known as a, oh, I forget, guys. Help me. Put it in the description or in the comments down below. A phalaenopsis, that's what it is.
Okay, so you can see you should be able to lift this plant up and have the pots support it. And clearly that's not happening with this one.
Yep.
So we're going to take all of this nastiness off the roots.
Oh wow, it was not supported at all.
None of this was supported, and we need to cut off these bad ones that look all dried up. See how these are. This is really nasty. We need to cut this off to make these roots support this plant so it can bloom. Clearly not going to bloom with these icky ones on there. There's one right there. That'll, if you cut the dead off, then obviously the live ones will take over. So we bought this potting mix that's specifically for orchids.
Yes. Okay.
Bark and charcoal.
Now, was there anything specific you had to do with this?
Yes, it said that we needed to soak the medium
And that's
in
what
water
that
for
is.
24 to 48 hours so it absorbed all the water.
And how long did you do yours for?
We started it Monday morning, and today is Wednesday, so
Awesome. The 48.
And it's really, really packed full of water, so you have to drain it so it's not completely like a swamp. And then
Awesome.
it says that you take a handful of this dirt, put it in, and tap your pot. And do it again.
Make sure there's no air pockets, I take it.
And tap your pot. And obviously you want this one. This one is a single plant, so you're going to put it in the middle of the pot. I'm going to take this one off too, just because it's kind of going a little crazy right there.
Okay.
Come on, baby. Didn't want to. There we go. And you put it in. Look at all those healthy roots.
Yep.
And you want it to be right about 3/4 of an inch from the top.
Okay.
So that when you do water it, we water ours with ice cubes here. When you do water it, the water actually goes down in the medium and doesn't just wash all the way through.
Now, Laurie, if I can ask you, how often do you typically water or ice your plant?
When they're in bloom, I water them twice a week.
Okay.
Tuesdays and Saturdays.
Okay.
When they're not in bloom, I water it once a week.
Okay.
Obviously, it's going to need a little bit more moisture because it's producing.
Right.
So, and you definitely don't want to keep them saturated. They're almost like a cactus. They don't need as much water.
Okay.
You can see this is really.
So you won't have to water it for a while.
No.
After.
After this, it's not going to need much moisture. It's probably going to shock it a little bit, and then it'll go, hey, what the heck is going on? I got room to grow. I got room for my roots to go somewhere.
Yep.
And I'm packing this around. When we're done, we should be able to lift this up by its leaves, pot and all, and nothing come out.
Nothing come out.
Like I did the last time. Obviously, that was not.
That was it. Just fell off.
A good situation. And I'm still squeezing the excess water out of it, just so it's not so wet.
And my subscribers, look, she's wearing her apron because we knew this was going to be a messy job.
It is a way messy job. But we're almost there.
Okay. And you just pack it
really
down.
Good. And I'm really pushing. I don't have a lot of muscles, but I'm really pushing on this. Trying to make sure it's got a place to grow and it's going to be nice and firm. Okay, it's in the center of the pot. One more handful over here. And I'll get a paper towel and wipe down these leaves so it doesn't have all this soil on it. It looks beautiful.
It does.
While it's waiting to bloom.
And the leaves are like really huge. So this is going to be a big one when it does bloom, I'm sure.
There's the proof in the pudding. Are we ready?
All right.
Come on, baby.
It's so heavy.
Still, we gotta tap it
A
down.
little bit more. Wow, and I seen the soil go down when you did that.
Yes, it did. And I thought I did really good by pushing it. And this one's a really, really heavy one, too. It's got, those leaves are humongous. We got a couple more here that need repotted, but they're in bloom, so we're not going to do that to them.
And I see even new growth right there, guys.
And look at that. That leaf was not there just even 3 short weeks ago.
Yep. Oh, wow.
It's gone really crazy. So here we go. Here we go. Ready?
Let's try this.
Go. There we go.
Okay, yes.
There we go.
Yes.
So
it looks really good, too. We're going to get it all cleaned up, and this is awesome, guys.
Make sure it looks, oh, it looks so much healthier.
It does already, like it. That dry one that was just sticking out, just looking sad.
Exactly. Well, and it's like reaching for dirt that it can't get to.
Right.
So now that's got some nutrients. You're supposed to water every time you water them, which they say once a week. But like I said, I do mine when it's in bloom. You're supposed to fertilize it.
Okay.
So you can mix up some fertilizer water and get that taken care of.
Awesome.
Okay.
Take a picture of it.
All right. So
All
I think
right.
it looks pretty daggone good.
It's
Awesome.
We'll do an update on it.
We will definitely do an update. Thank you so much, Laurie, for visiting the channel.
All right. Happy growing.
Bye, guys.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you guys.